Saturday. London, please. Cut it. It's Saturday. Yeah, we moved in last night. I didn't vlog yesterday because there was just so much going on with moving and putting this complicated bed up. If you want to know, I got this bed from Wayfair. I'll link it below if anybody wants to check it out. It's a pretty good deal. It's a queen size bed. That's my niece, London. So yeah, it's Saturday. I have to figure out what I'm about to do. I think I'm about to make this bed. Oh, gee. I'm vlogging. London, be quiet. Y'all just stressing. What'd you say? Huh? Speak to the mic. What'd you say?
I'm saying nothing.
Okay. Just making sure. Okay. I'll see y'all next week. This is my bed so far. I need a comforter. I think I'm gonna get a white one. So I just went, with these. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but they're like light pink sheets. And then I'm gonna, this is gonna go at the end of the bed. This is like a purplish, plumish. It's so cute. So I'm just put that at the bottom. So I'm gonna get a white comforter. It's gonna be cute. Once I get like all my decorative pillows and all that stuff. Let me show y'all what I'm doing with my bathroom so far. So here in the bathroom, I'm going kind of with the same color scheme. I got these light pink bath rugs. I got these from Marshalls, I think. Yeah, these are from Marshalls. And then my shower curtain is going to be pretty basic because, you know, just white. Or I got this for now. I'm not sure if I'm going to change it to white, but this will do for now. So I just got that. This little thing. This is so cute. I fell in love with it. This was from Home Goods. And it was only $6.99. So I got that. And then I got this. So this is going to be like the color scheme for my bathroom and my room. I love elephants. Like, I love them. And I got this from Home Goods as well. So that's going to be like the thing for that. I got this for my birthday. I'm not sure if this is going to stay here or not. I think you're supposed to put like earrings and stuff right there, but it's blue, so it does not match. So I don't know what we're going to do with that. And these candles are not going to stay here because they don't go with it. I don't know if I'm going to get like a candle holder that matches this room or what. So we'll figure that out. So that's what I got so far. Like I said, we just moved in yesterday and I am not done. I still have a lot to do, a lot to get. But yeah, that's what I got. What's up, y'all? Okay, so it's literally like 5 o'clock. Last time I vlogged, it was like 11. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened to the vlog. Like, I don't know. But after I finished organizing my closet, it's nothing too special. I just put stuff away. All the stuff that was on this ground, I just put away. After I finished organized it, we left and went to Walmart because I had to take this vacuum back because it would not plug into any of my outlets in my apartment. So we had to take it back. And then we met up with Ty's dad because he is in town from Waco. So we met up with him and had lunch. Then after that, we came back. Ty went to work. He had work at 3. And I just took a nap. And I'm just now, like, getting up. But the day is not over. I did not let y'all down because I still have some other things I have to do tonight. One thing is this weekend is my church anniversary. So they're having, like, this, I guess it's like a battle of choirs or something tonight. So I'm going to go see that. That starts at 6. So I'm about to get dressed, go to the church, and go see that. And then after that, I have to leave a little early from that because my friend's birthday dinner, one of my good friends, is her birthday dinner tonight. So it starts at 7:30. So after I leave that, I'm going to go to her birthday dinner and celebrate with her. It's at Boomer Jack. So, you know, go see what's up and celebrate with her. So, yeah, I got y'all, like, with the rest of the day. But I literally don't know what happened. to that time where that big in between time. We didn't really do nothing much, but I don't know, child. I don't know. I guess I forgot or something. But you know, we gonna get it together with the rest of the day. All right, I will see y'all in my next clip. All right, what's up, y'all? Okay, so I just pulled up to my church. I'm about to go in, and right now it's 5:49. It starts at 6. So we're about to just see, you know, what's going on with these choirs or whatever, you know. But that's what I'm about to do. I'm in a handicap. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, church, but it's packed. And so yeah, I'm about tired of this sewing. So you know how you're sewing old and they take it out, so you just start doing stuff to it. Gotta put this braid at the top. Trying to look cute. But it's gonna have to do. Cause I've just been so busy lately, man. The month of April has just been insane. So this hair just I'll have to do for a couple more days. Happy birthday to you.
I ain't gonna blow on that one. We just gonna watch a good ass show.
It's so pretty. One time for the birthday.
Hey.
I'm wet. Alright, so y'all, I'm about to go to bed because you know I got church in the morning. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's Sunday and I am back here at church. I do all the media, so let me kind of show you what I do. So this is what I do. I do all the songs. As you can see, it's broadcast up there. But we're about to start. Church starts at 10 and
And then I have to, and now the big task that I have to work on right now.
Alright, you guys, it is Sunday night. It's like 9 something. I am in the bed. I have work in the morning at 8 a.m. so I'm just gonna call it a night. Today has really been a chill day. Like I've literally been here all day. I went to the store grocery shopping for the week, just getting stuff for like my lunch and stuff, and just food throughout the week. But yeah, it's just really been a chill day. I haven't been doing anything, watching movies, just chilling. Now I'm just about to edit this video, edit this vlog. Hopefully it's gonna be up on Monday for a fact. So edit it, get it together so I can post it tomorrow. Yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all my supporters, all my subscribers, just everyone. The month of May, let's talk about that. The month of May is going to be great because I have so much exciting things planned. I cannot wait to share with you guys in the world, and I just hope it encourages so many women. Like it's going to be amazing. Just stay tuned, okay? All right, I love y'all. Good night.